Choosing the right blender can make all the difference when preparing soups, sauces, and other hot recipes at home. Best blender for hot liquids models are built to handle high temperatures safely while delivering smooth, consistent results without leaks or splashes. From powerful motors to durable, heat-resistant pitchers, these blenders are designed to tackle everything from steaming vegetables to creamy soups with ease. In this video, we'll explore the top options that combine performance, safety, and convenience to help you find the perfect blender for your kitchen. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Chefman Obliterator Blender for Hot Liquid. The Chefman Obliterator Blender for Hot Liquid is a versatile and high-performance appliance built to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease. Powered by a strong 1380-watt motor, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, and processes tough ingredients into smooth, consistent textures. The durable 48-ounce Triton jar provides ample capacity for preparing soups, sauces, smoothies, and other family-sized recipes. 5 speed settings and a pulse function offer additional control for customizing textures. Helpful LED notifications and a built-in timer enhance the overall user experience. While shoppers searching for the best immersion blender for hot liquids may prefer a handheld design, this countertop model delivers exceptional power, convenience, and versatility for both hot and cold blending needs. Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender for Hot Liquid. The Magic Bullet Blender for Hot Liquid offers an excellent combination of compact convenience and powerful blending performance. Featuring a 600-watt motor base, this model delivers significantly more power than previous Magic Bullet versions, allowing it to tackle smoothies, sauces, soups, frozen fruit, and ice with ease. Its 48-ounce pitcher provides enough capacity for family meals, while the included personal blending cup is ideal for individual servings and quick drinks. A major advantage for hot liquid preparation is the heavy-duty pitcher lid with a removable center cap, which allows steam to escape safely during blending while also serving as a convenient measuring cup. Users can choose between high-speed, low-speed, and pulse settings to achieve the desired texture, from silky smooth soups to chunky salsas. The included to-go lid further enhances convenience for busy lifestyles. With its practical design, strong motor, and ability to handle both hot and cold recipes. Number 3. Vitamix Immersion Blender for Hot Liquid. The Vitamix Immersion Blender for Hot Liquid is a professional-grade blending machine built for users who demand exceptional power, durability, and versatility. Powered by a high-performance 2-horsepower motor, this blender effortlessly processes tough ingredients, including frozen fruit, nuts, fibrous vegetables, and ice. Its 48-ounce container is perfectly sized for small to medium batch recipes and is specifically engineered to create the famous Vitamix vortex, ensuring ingredients circulate efficiently for smooth, even blends. This makes it particularly effective for preparing hot soups, sauces, purees, and other cooked recipes directly in the container. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are designed for long-lasting performance and consistent results over years of regular use. Number 2. Vitamix Immersion Blender for Hot Liquid. The Vitamix Immersion Blender for Hot Liquid is an excellent choice for anyone who wants the convenience of blending directly in pots, bowls, and containers without transferring ingredients to a traditional blender jar. Powered by a robust 625-watt motor, this handheld blender delivers impressive performance for preparing hot soups, sauces, purees, baby food, and a variety of everyday recipes. Its 5 speed settings provide flexibility, allowing users to achieve anything from smooth, creamy textures to chunkier blends. The durable stainless steel 4-pronged blade is engineered to handle tough ingredients efficiently while maintaining consistent results. One of its most useful features is the ability to blend hot soups directly in the cooking pot, saving time and reducing cleanup. The ergonomic design supports comfortable one-handed operation, making it easy to add ingredients while blending. A 5-foot power cord provides excellent reach and flexibility in different kitchen setups. The specially designed bell guard helps protect cookware from scratches while improving ingredient flow around the blades. Number 1. Vitamix VX1 Blender for Hot Liquid. The Vitamix VX1 blender for hot liquid delivers the legendary blending performance that Vitamix is known for, while maintaining a straightforward and user-friendly design. Equipped with a powerful motor and a large 64-ounce classic container, this blender is ideal for preparing everything from family-sized smoothies to large batches of soups, sauces, and purees. The carefully engineered container and durable stainless steel blades work together to create the signature Vitamix vortex, pulling ingredients toward the blades for smooth and consistent blending. The laser-cut blades easily break down fibrous vegetables, frozen fruit, nuts, and other challenging ingredients. Final verdict. If overall performance, durability, and large batch blending are your top priorities, the Vitamix VX1 blender for hot liquid is our top recommendation. Its powerful motor, large 64-ounce container, and exceptional blending consistency make it the best all-around choice. For those who prefer a compact and versatile option that can blend directly in pots and cookware, the Vitamix Immersion blender for hot liquid is an excellent alternative, offering convenience, flexibility, and impressive performance for everyday cooking.